Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tools2Hack. So in my last video I talked about the basics and the introduction to ethical hacking and how to download Kali Linux, which we will use for ethical hacking and purposes in the upcoming videos. So I did mention a term called torrent in my last video, and I just said that you can download the torrent file and did not talk much about how to use it to download all of the files and ISO needed to run Kali Linux. So it is the same we are going to talk in this video. Let's get started. So guys, torrent file is nothing complex. A torrent file or a meta file is a computer file that contains metadata about files and folders to be distributed. So it's basically saying that a torrent file acts like a table of contents that allows computers to find information through the use of BitTorrent client. So it's just a file that contains all the internet addresses that it needs to go to extract the files out of it and then download it into a single file. So I just made a simple art here showing how torrent files work. No, not this one, this one. Yes, how does torrent files work? So for example, let it be a torrent file here. So it has many example internet addresses. It can also have dates, it can also have some other information about that website. So all are going to be stored in hash. So if we directly open a torrent file, it's just going to be gibberish. You cannot read a thing. It's all going to be symbols and numbers and letters. So that is why torrent client comes in here. So a torrent client takes this torrent file, decrypts it, and goes to the internet to the mentioned websites and goes to the download tab of that websites and downloads the files needed from that websites it into a one file that we need to download. So it's just basically a third party. If you have seen my last video, I just downloaded Kali Linux from the official website by clicking on the installer icon and just downloading the 3.6 GB file. So that did not work out for me well because I already have that file and installed it more than 5 times. I don't know if we can download the torrent files also more than 5 times. So if you know that, please inform me in the comments box below. So let's talk about the BitTorrent clients that I was talking about, and here are the two. So I will say the difference between these two. This is a BitTorrent client and this is a uTorrent client. So BitTorrent is the world's most popular, most downloaded, and here you can see some features. Downloads torrents in bulk, saves network resources, avoids slow downloads and things. So this is the usage of third parties applications to come in between to download packages from internet. So uTorrent is also same, and both have paid versions for them, and as you can see here, premium versions for extra features, security, and VPN also. So if you need, you can buy the premium versions, but for now our purpose, free version is enough. So here you can see web and classic. These are two things. Web actually means executable that you can download, and if you run it, it will directly take you to the internet to the website, which will give the interface to extract all the files online. And if you download the BitTorrent classic executable, it just gets an original desktop torrent app, and I'll show the interface of that. The interface of torrent classic is something like this. So if you are an experienced user and you have already used torrent yourself, you can download this so that you can customize your torrent download and exclude and include torrent file and also edit the torrent file. And if you are a beginner, we'll just start with BitTorrent Web or uTorrent Web so that it may be easy for us for only extracting all the torrent files. So you may download any one of these two. I'm not recommending any one for you. In my research, I found out that these are the two BitTorrent clients that give you easy interface for beginners mainly. So let's just click this free download icon, and here it is, free download for now. Download now, and it's going to start the download. Here you can see btweb installer dot executable. So let's just save file to my download section, and here you can see the download has also started. So I'll just speed this part up so that you may not wait for 1 minute. And at last the download has been completed, as you can see. And I still don't know why was the internet running at 250 to 300 kbps per second, so I will look into that. Sorry for the inconvenience. So just click on this executable file, it will start to execute. First it will ask for your administrator's permission. Start the executable, and here it is, BitTorrent Web Setup Wizard. So let's just click next. And please do read this for your information of what are the permissions you will be giving to the company, and the warranty and disclaimers, all this, it's very important. So I am just going to click on next, and this is an optional offer, Avast free antivirus. I do not need that, I will decline. So now it started installing and it's done. Thank you for installing BitTorrent Web. Let's just click on finish, and here it is guys, BitTorrent Web icon has been came here. So also it also automatically opens it, very nice. Yes, make it my default torrent link. So this is the interface for now. Update for BitTorrent Web is available. I'll just update it later, it will not have any significant difference. So here you can see torrents, BitTorrent speed. You can test your speed here, in which you will download your torrents. And here it is guys, this is a place where we will be adding torrent file from our computer. So let's just go and download the torrent file of our Kali Linux installer. kalilinux.org download, and here it is. So this is the torrent file right here. So you can download the torrent of any of these one too, and if you have a 32-bit architecture, you can download the torrent of this one too. So let's just click on torrent, and here it is guys, .iso.torrent. as I have shown earlier, the file will always end it with an extension .torrent, and we'll save the file. Click on OK, and we'll save it in my download section. Save, and looks like it's just a 300 kilobytes file, so it will be downloading will be done immediately, because it only contains the list of addresses it needs to download from. So here you can add torrent file from your computer and browse and go to my download section, and here it is, the torrent file, and open it. As you can see, Kali Linux 2020.3, as I have mentioned in the earlier video, 2023 has been released, and it contains 2 files of 4 GB in total. And this is it guys. You can also choose which files to download or not, and download this torrent, you can choose the location in which the file will get downloaded. So for now I'll just keep it to downloads, and start downloading when torrent is added. Yes, and let's just click on add, and now it will start to download the torrent guys. So looks like my internet is going on up. This is advantageous for those guys who downloaded Kali Linux from website more than 5 times and need to utilize the full internet speed to download Kali Linux again if you lost the file in any way. So here you can see the internet speed for now is 4.5 MB per second, and it's climbing. So that's all guys. This is the torrent extraction and downloading. So this torrent file mentioned the torrent client BitTorrent Web, that this file is available in the Kali Linux website, and it is extracting the files and started downloading. So I already have this file, so I'm not going to download it again. So remove torrent plus data. And also guys, you can download the uTorrent Web also. The steps are similar. And that's all guys. In this video I have explained how to download all the Kali files and extract it using the torrent client. So like this video and share this video if you found it helpful in any way, and subscribe to my channel to follow me in this journey learning ethical hacking, and hit the notification bell to get notifications about release of my video instantly when I publish it in YouTube. So thank you for watching this video. I will meet you next time. Until then, goodbye.